All right, Luis, this is to help you get through the rest of your errands task. On the first day that we did it, we took care of the reflections. And your job was to work on the second image and the points that go with it. So what I wanted you to do was take each of these vertices, and I'm going to color mine in red. You need to take each of these and figure out what the points are that go with, I call mine A, B, C, and D. You can call them 1, 2, 3, and 4. I don't care, but you need to come up with ordered pairs, and that's what this is over here on this side, or that's ordered pairs. And in order for me to rotate or turn clockwise, one turn, I'm going to have to make these points move around this center of rotation at the origin. So let me draw kind of an idea of what's going on. So I'm going to go from point A, and I'm going to make a complete turn so that I have a 90-degree turn. See my right angle that's formed right here. And I'm going to move A one turn to the right clockwise. So my original A was at -3, 3. So to do a complete turn, I want to have it just as far over, but in quadrant 1. And so I'm going to rotate it over until it gets to this point right here at 3, 3. Now, how did I know that it was 3, 3? Well, I used an algebraic rule that you can see right here. I used those rules that we talked about in class where xy becomes y, the opposite of x. But if you look at the drawing that I did in green, you can see that I did a turn of 90 degrees from A to A prime. So look at it. Do you see how it's 1, 2, 3 away and 1, 2, 3 up? Look from my origin. I went 1, 2, 3 over and 1, 2, 3 up. And then I read my new point. And I want you to do the same thing for each of the other vertices, each of these corners, B, C, the origin is going to stay where it is, and then D. And if you do that, you will have a new shape that looks just like the one that I have drawn in the background. And then for the second turn, you're going to do, so that was 90 degrees. I'll put a 90 over here. 90, whoops, 90, whoops, 90, sorry about that. And now I'm going to put my picture back where it goes, or not. I'm going to put that picture back where it goes, and now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to do another 90-degree turn. Now I've got 180 degrees, or 2 out of 4 turns. 90 degrees clockwise would be 1/4 of a turn. So now I'm going to go halfway around. Do you see how my new A prime over here is directly opposite my point A? It's directly opposite. So I went back 3 and up 3, and I went over 3 and down 3, and they are exactly opposite. And so the rule for that is that I flipped it over and made xy, y the opposite of x. And now I have to do another turn, and I'm going to do another turn, which is now 270 degrees from my first shape, and it's 3/4 of a turn. And hopefully you will see that if I did the fourth turn, the 360, I would put the shape back on top of where it started from. So you can see these points here if you need to see them. And I hope that helps you. For the back page, for number 3, I just want you to use sentences to describe it. So if you need help with number 3, let me know, and I'll help you with it as well. Okay? I hope this helps you. Let me know if it doesn't.